to. 10 minutes. Iyag diha ba? Kahapon ni kay daghay tao diri Kailang harangan ng baton na diha yung butas daw no. Daming tao kahapon dito sa labas ng tindahan. Yung butas diha. Hindi yung butas diha ba?
Man kay ang Anas.
Sis Anas random +1 din ay dalawa. Ay naka-apply kami dito kay Juanito Sibuko. Ayan, maraming salamat sis Joy. Thank you so much. Si Kipap, nag-play din ako kay Kipap. Pangalawang kay Kipap for life. Kipap. Ma-search niya yung searchable yung Kipap life for life ay. Ayun dahil mga siya
Kasi si Kipap.
Ang bata.
Si Kipap ni si Bill Zamora.
Si Sis Joy na yula. Si Juanito, Sis Joy sali po na. Patay tayo dyan muna na pamilyar yung Ay, maraming salamat guys. 1 hour na po tayo. 1 hour. Thank you guys sa inyong lahat. Keep up. Ay, dahil mga tusikuan Keep up. Research ako lang yan.
Nakalimot ko kung hama to na cellphone.
Diha
Wala
sa...
mo, paano ba dyan mo katug Alessandro?
Sa may oras ka mula ka
Pagkatapos live mo.
Alas 2 magmatapos. Alas 2 na alas 2. Ayan, Sis Joy, maraming salamat, Sis Joy. Joy Salin, Sis Joy, dahil salamat. Sir MG, salamat po. Cisco International, subscribe, done, and you return back. Ayan, he's sleeping now. Maybe tomorrow or when he wake up tomorrow. I should try to do a short animated baby Venus video cutting go Lilo. Sige, sir. Para makasupport kami. Sige. Yes, do it, sir. Screencast, sige. Ninyo, Salinas with ito. Salamat, sisi. Nag+1 na kami kaninyo. Ayan, 1 hour na po kami. Thank you guys sa inyong lahat. Sis Joy, dalang salamat Sis Joy. Sis Ana, thank you so much. Sir MG, mag-live ka na, mag-screencast. Ayan. Do it, Sis Sir MG.
Tapos na
screencast. Yeah, very good at one so that you you are not tied to talking. Because it's good as screencast. It's good. You can do anything in your house. Okay, I'll make a video long so not made for... Yes, because you always click the made for kids. Try to always keep not made for kids, okay? Daghang salamat sa inyong lahat. Ayan, mag-e-end na kami. Keep up, ayudahan ka namin, keep up. Ayan, ayudahan ka namin. Okay? 70 plus ka, 70 plus.
75.
75 na kasi 75 ka na ngayon.
76.
76. So remember that number. Now from 75 you will maybe because sa oras ka ayudahan mo siya para
Alas 3 na kanumad to.
Alas 3? Okay, in 1 hour she will give you more bananas, okay? Okay, 75, 76 now. Remember that number if you will 100 or 90 from us, okay? That bananas. Tingnan mo ako searchable, baka hindi searchable, ha? I-try mo pag ayaw siya i-go to challenge, search mo lang siya, keep up for life.
Keep up for life.
Capital letter I, puro capital, keep up for life. Okay, thank you. Yes,
Tatay.
Hindi searchable?
Dili.
Oy, hindi searchable.
Kaya ko ra kanikuan sa pala.
Ikaw sa messenger. Ang link niya sa messenger para the keep up for life is not searchable. So all we have to do is to get the link and send to messenger. Ayan, Silent, ang gandang babae. Silent, thank you. Maraming salamat po. Hindi na kayo magtatagal para makasupport kami sa mga nagla-live. Ayan, thank you guys, Silent. Maraming salamat po sa pag-attend, sa pag-join dito sa aming live. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, Silent. For the amazing people, ako po'y magpaalam na para si Sir MG makapag-screencast na. Ayan. Sis Joy, sino mag-live? Si Ninyo Salinas o si Para makasupport kami sa inyong mga watch hour. Ayan. Maraming salamat po. That's all for today's live stream, guys. This is Gracie. The secretary is Irish me and my mom sleeping. Thank you so much. Keep up live, subscribe, Dan connect, you return. Ayan, keep up, return to Permola Studios. Ayan, ninyo, salamat po sis Joy, dan salamat. Mag-end na ako. Sir Permola, I'm done to you, full watch. Okay, +1 pa. We added you 1 subscriber, Sir Permola. Thank you so much. Sir MG, maraming salamat po ha. Keep up for life. We add you, we make ayuda, okay? We make ayuda. Ayan, thank you, bye-bye.